What's up, guys? Another week here at the Wolves Den, starting another vlog. Lots of stuff going on in the shop. SEMA prep, few professional basketball players. Let's leave it at that. Vehicles that we're working on, wheels, tires, PPF, tint, suspension, all kinds of work going on. So let's get into it. What you working on, dog?
Working on this Trackhawk gas cover.
Trackhawk gas cap. All right. I don't even know if we should video that. Is that how we do that? I don't video that. We don't be doing that shit like that. He's just practicing. It's not really how he's doing it. With all the contamination on that table going up under the dust. You know what I'm saying?
Like, talking about it's fun.
I'm just kidding, bro. Whatever you say. Rap surgeon.
I am a surgeon!
He's like a, I don't know. Like I wonder, like I spend time wondering like what Gio's like in his free time. Like I really do. Like, is he a serial killer? Is he like an angry man? Like is that all just like hostility hidden in there, or is he just like a sweet guy? You know what I mean?
He's like Mr. Brooks.
I found out today that he plays football. Semi-professional. He didn't even ask me to play for his team. You believe that? Yes. Wow. A f***ing tennis player, but you don't ask me. Let me know. I don't even get an invite. Not even like, hey, come check it out. He asked Lau. Lau's limping around the shop. So he's got a sprained ankle from kicking footballs.
Why you gotta say it like that?
That's very tennis player of him.
Made a team though. Tell him, Gio. Come on, bro. Tell him.
All right. Serious question. Did any of the kickers not make the team?
We don't have the kick.
That makes it so much better. Go ahead. What the
I can kick.
What are you going to say, bro? I'm not saying you can't kick, but I'm like, I mean, I'm the only guy that tried out and I made the team. It's not really something to brag about.
You know what, bro? He has such faith in himself that he bought the cleats before even trying out. Ask him how much he spent.
Technically, $30.
How much are the cleats?
$300.
Damn.
Thank God for American Express, baby.
Idiots. So one of my fairly long-time clients owns quite a few vehicles and wanted his Trackhawk to match his Cully. So we are doing the same color on his Trackhawk as well as the same color on the 4G auto wheels. He's got a set of 4Gs on this and his Cully. We're making them matchy-matchy. You know we like matchy-matchy here at the Wolves Den. So this project is gonna be awesome when it's done. Probably next week we'll have it done. This is one of the bigger projects we have working right now. Let's hit you with B-roll. You just flinched at me, bro. That was weird. How'd you do that? What's up, Steve?
Oh,
You're just standing there.
You look like you tried to press me, so I was just coming in like,
See?
what?
Oh, you just
Checking out the video.
It's quality control.
Honestly, I was passing by and Dre was like, so I don't know what.
Yeah, bro, I thought you were gonna f with him, bro.
Oh, see, it was it's my brother, bro. What do you mean, bro?
With you, cause
Yeah, when we with you. Oh, we should definitely, let's get what he's doing.
What are you
Let's get
doing?
what he's doing.
what am I doing?
Yeah.
I was doing the grill too.
Nobody gives a f. Go ahead, do that.
All right, so another project we have going on. This is SEMA. I can't share too much information, but Ferrari 488 Challenge on bags and some crazy Rohana wheels, custom made for this car. One of my clients is year 2 back-to-back with his vehicles going to SEMA with Llumar Films, who we represent, paper protection film company. So we are gonna have this vehicle in the booth and something very special will be happening. So make sure you check back on that. Instagram, social media, everywhere. This is gonna blow up. This is for sure gonna be crazy. So look forward to this. So we got about 3 weeks left for SEMA. 3 weeks left and then heading out to Vegas. Check back. you saw the drift car, obviously, the new beast, baby, whatever she is, monster. So after the drift event on Sunday, I got an idea. I want to change the color of it. Maybe I'm going to do it every time I go drifting. I don't know. But new livery style wrap. This is a, I don't know, looks like a wrap.
Camo-ish.
Camo, I'm gonna call it the camo cum shot.
Jizz camo.
Jizz camo. Oh, the splatter.
The money
midnight
shot,
cum shot.
Money shot camo.
Oh, money shot camo. Midnight money shot cum shot camo. I am about this drift life, just so you guys know. I had an absolute blast on Sunday, so I look forward to putting some amazing events together and sending it as much as possible in this car. So this is phase 2 or 3 so far in like a 1 month span. We added some roof vents, changed the color. I got some more upgrades coming on. Suspension is already all done, but maybe some motor horsepower upgrades. We'll see what happens. Check back for that.
Is that what?
Thank you for Dre for finally getting here. We've had a full fun day of great content that hasn't been recorded. But anyways, swapping out our last couple sets of wheels. This is what we've done. We burned the shit on our rubber. And yeah, it's been a hell of a day. Some great people. Guys from different businesses that we work with, and our friends and our people and employees. My wife's hiding in the AC over there with the girls. But yeah, we're gonna burn it down for the last 30 minutes. I'm gonna blow through as many tires as I possibly can sideways. Hopefully Will Branco's tires, and then we'll go from there. So there it is. A little bit of the drift stuff that we do. You saw our SEMA car that's gonna be at SEMA. That's just the beginning phase. There's much more coming on that. And Trackhawk, as well as a bunch of other work at the shop. We stay busy, always delivering for our clients. But don't forget, like, comment, share, show some love on YouTube. We're growing the YouTube as much as we can, sharing as much content as possible. And for daily and weekly updates, follow us on Instagram, WolvesDenCustoms_. See you next time.